Hey there, future YouTube stars! Imagine this. One day you wake up to see your Faceless YouTube channel has gone viral, your subscriber count has skyrocketed, and revenue is flowing. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today I'm here to turn that dream into a reality. Welcome back to our series on how to make a faceless YouTube channel and monetize it. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the world of SEO. Yes, SEO, the powerhouse behind all successful YouTube channels. But here's the plot twist. It's not just any SEO strategy. It's the SEO strategy crafted for faceless YouTube channels. So grab your notepad because this is a game changer. Let's jump right in with the hook that's going to transform your channel's destiny forever. So, here we go. When you hear SEO, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Keywords? Titles? Descriptions? Well, yes, but it goes way beyond that. Picture SEO as the unseen master puppeteer, pulling the strings behind the scenes, making sure your content is shown to the right audience, and when done right, it can skyrocket your views and engagement. But here's the million-dollar secret. SEO for a faceless channel is a totally different ballgame compared to traditional YouTube channels. Before we dissect the components, let's visualize the scenario. You've created a perfectly crafted faceless video, visually appealing with a powerful voiceover, top-notch editing, but somehow it doesn't reach the eyes of your potential audience. Does that sound familiar? The missing piece of the puzzle is often in the way you're handling SEO. So, what's the trick here? Let's start with the basics, yet crucial element: keywords. These aren't just words scattered in your titles or descriptions. Keywords are your channel's DNA. They are the bridge that connects what people are searching for to what you're offering. Here's the tip. Always aim for long-tail keywords. Unlike general keywords, long-tail phrases are more specific, and while they might have lower search volumes, they usually have higher conversion rates. Let's take an example. Suppose your faceless channel is about reviewing high-tech gadgets. Instead of using generic keywords like gadget reviews, try something like in-depth review of the latest noise-canceling headphones. See the difference? The second one pinpoints an exact demand, and you'll find less competition there. And don't forget to use these keywords everywhere, in your title, description, tags, and even in the script of your video. Now let's talk about video titles. Your title is your click magnet. It's that flashy billboard that grabs attention and convinces viewers to click. Now, while adding keywords is a must, here's a trick to give it an extra punch. Create a sense of urgency or exclusivity. For instance, top 5 must-have gadgets of 2023 you can't miss. It provokes curiosity and conveys that the information is critical and fresh. Next up, descriptions. Many creators underestimate the power of a video description. Think of it as a mini blog post. If your title grabbed their attention, the description needs to provide more context and convince them to stay. Start by clearly outlining what the video is about and integrate those crucial keywords naturally. Include links to your social media, other related videos, and even your time-stamped outline if it's a longer video for better audience retention. And here comes a lesser-known secret: tags. Tags are often overlooked, but add significant importance to your SEO strategy. While tags don't directly impact the ranking as they used to, they help the YouTube algorithm understand your video's content context. Go for a mix of broad and specific tags, and always include your primary keywords. Crucial preventive measure: avoid overstuffing. Quality over quantity is the name of the game here. Now, focus on thumbnails. No matter how perfect your SEO is, an unattractive thumbnail can be the downfall of your video. Your thumbnail is the first visual hook. Make it visually compelling and an accurate representation of your content. Remember, misleading thumbnails might get you clicks, but will backfire in terms of audience retention and trust. Crafting a high-impact thumbnail involves a few critical elements: bright and contrasting colors, readable text, and a clear image. Think of your thumbnail as a movie poster. It should instantly tell what your video is about. Another hidden gem in the world of SEO is captions and subtitles. Did you know that adding captions can boost your rankings? Captions help YouTube understand the spoken content of your video. Plus, it enhances the accessibility of your content, making it reachable to a broader and global audience. Let's talk about how you can create those killer captions. Always go for accurate transcription. Avoid automated ones unless you're planning to tweak them. You can use services like Rev or even YouTube's built-in tool to ensure accuracy. End screens and cards are YouTube's way of keeping viewers on the platform longer. Utilize this. Add links to related videos or playlists to guide your audience through a journey within your channel. Consider them as signposts pointing to other valuable content you offer, driving up watch time and engagement. Now let's delve deeper into analytics. Yet another layer where many creators struggle. Use YouTube Analytics religiously. Study your stats, understand where you're gaining traction, and identify what's not working. Adjust your strategies based on this data. Look at metrics such as watch time, average view duration, and audience retention to fine-tune your content and improve it continually. And finally, we can't forget about engagement. This might not sound like SEO, but in today's YouTube, engagement is the fuel to your visibility fire. Reply to comments, create community posts, ask questions, and encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe. The more interaction, the higher your videos will rank. And before we wrap up, here's a pro tip for engagement. Embed your videos in high-traffic forums, blogs, and social media groups. This external traffic can give a massive boost to your SEO efforts. Wow! We've covered a lot of ground today, and these SEO secrets are just the start of your YouTube success story. Imagine every video you upload getting noticed, drawing in an eager audience, and growing your subscriber base daily. Sounds like a dream come true? Well, it's no longer a dream, it's totally attainable, thanks to these insider strategies. And don't forget, what we've discussed today is the foundation for an unstoppable YouTube channel. The best part? In the next episode, we're unveiling how to keep your audience hooked and turning first-time viewers into lifetime fans. You won't want to miss it. So, hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and get ready to transform your YouTube game. Until next time, keep creating, keep engaging, and watch your Faceless channel become a star in the YouTube universe.